Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Java step by step on your computer. So let's get started. First, open any web browser like Chrome or Edge. In the search bar, type Java download. Click on the official Oracle Java website. Oracle.com Java. Select Windows as your operating system. Then click on Download x64 installer to start the download. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation. You will see this window that says Preparing for installation. Then, click on Yes. Then, click on Next. Leave the default path as it is, and then click on Next. Now the actual installation will start. It will take some time. Click on Close. Click on Close. Now the installation is complete. To use this software, we need to set the path in the environment variables. For that, open File Explorer and go to this PC, C drive, Program Files, Java, JDK 25, bin. Copy this path. Open the Start menu. Search for Environment Variables and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path. Click New. Paste the copied path. And click OK. Click OK again to save the changes. Open the Start menu. Search for CMD. And open Command Prompt. Type Java ---- version. And press Enter. If the version information appears, the installation is successful.